Hi everyone, welcome back. In this quick video, I am going to show you how to remove the pages from the existing PDF file. So if you can notice this PDF file over here that I have opened in a Chrome browser. So this PDF contains total 15 pages and sometimes you want to remove the pages from the PDF file. So how we can do that? So in this video, I am going to show you how we can use the Chrome browser itself to remove some of the pages from the PDF file. So first of all, you need to open the PDF file in a Chrome browser. For example, let us say you have a PDF file on your device, and if you want to open this PDF in a Chrome browser, just right click on it, choose open with, and just click on Chrome browser. So this will open your PDF file in a Chrome browser. So once you open the PDF in a Chrome browser, next click on this print icon over here. And here just choose a destination, save as PDF. Next here we have pages section and just click on this drop down, click on this custom. So here we need to specify the page range. So here total there are 15 pages, and let us say we want to remove the page number 11, 12, 13, and we want the pages 1 to 10 and 14, 15. So the pages that we want, that we can specify over here. For example, look at the format 1-10. So we want the pages from 1 to 10, and we want to remove the pages 11, 12, 13, and we want the pages 14, 15 again. So here just put the comma and then 14, comma 15. So you can see the total pages 12 pages. We have removed the pages 11, 12, 13. Okay, so let me revise again. There are total 15 pages, and we want the pages from 1 to 10 and 14, 15. We don't want the pages 11, 12, 13. So here in a pages section we have to specify the pages that we want to include in the final PDF. Okay, next pages per sheet, just keep one and go ahead and click on save button over here. Next here I am going to change the file name. Let us say updated, searching and sorting updated. Next click on save button. Next go to the file, and here you can see this is the original file and this is the updated PDF file. First open the original file, and you can see there are total 15 pages. Next open this updated PDF file, and here you can see there are 12 pages. It means we have successfully removed the page number 11, 12, 13. So this is how you can use a Chrome browser to quickly remove the pages from the existing PDF file. So let me quickly recap. In order to remove the pages from a PDF file, open that PDF file in a Chrome browser and click on this print icon over here, and here destination choose save as a PDF, and in the pages section choose the custom, and here just specify the ranges that the PDF pages you want to include in the destination file. For example, here we want to remove the page numbers 11, 12, 13, and we want to keep all other pages as it is. So here we just specify the range 1 to 10, and then we remove the page number 11, 12, 13, and then we want page 14 and 15 like this, and just click on save, and here you can give different file name and just save it. And next just open this file, and you can see there are total 12 pages. The original PDF file has 15 pages. This updated PDF file has 12 pages. It means all the 3 pages are successfully removed. So this is how you can remove the pages from the existing PDF file using Chrome browser. If you find this video helpful, like to this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next video.